Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Nene's Glam World. So today we are going to be doing a Bratz versus Barbie filter makeup. So this Bratz versus Barbie filter is on TikTok. However, I really wanted to see whether my makeup should be done as a Bratz or as a Barbie. Now, I have not owned any of these dolls. Maybe I should buy for myself as an adult, but isn't this exciting? Like just knowing like which makeup would suit you better. Like, are you a Bratz or are you a Barbie? I know for a fact that definitely I'm a Bratz, but let's just watch to the end because who knows, I might be a Barbie. But from the images I've seen online, chances are high I am a Bratz. But let's just get to this makeup. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm just going to create a neutral canvas for both sides. So one side is going to be the Barbie side, one side is going to be the Bratz side. But first we are doing our canvas. So I've just done some skincare. So I've used a hyaluronic acid serum by Garnier. And then I am doing my brows, which just involves basically filling them in because my brows are non-existent at this point. So I just drew them on, fill them in with a black pencil, and then I've used an eyebrow gel and I've used the Rimmel Wonderful Brow Gel for this. And then now I'm just going to shape them further using concealer and also just to make them pop. And I've just used a Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Or was it a Rimmel Kind and Free concealer? I'll confirm. It might have been the Rimmel Kind and Free concealer. And now I used a concealer at the bottom of the brow, but at the top I've used foundation, and I've used the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade 9N. Now, as you can see, that 9N is looking pretty good above my brows. So at least the concealer and foundation have helped shape the brows a bit better. Remember, we're going to do the contouring and the highlighting using the Bratz and the Barbie filters. So this is just a blank canvas I'm creating so that at least we can see the difference in both. Make sure you watch to the end. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Watch to the end to see whether I'm a Bratz or a Barbie, and also give you a rough idea of how you should also contour and highlight. Now, if you did see the shorts video, you already know what I am. But in case you're here, I know I'm doing this video after about a month, but because it was in my editor, I just have to finish the work. So I'm just going to apply primer now before I apply my foundation. So the primer that I'm using, and I love this primer because it is really a mattifying primer, is the Maybelline Fit Me Mattifying Primer. And I'm just applying it on my T-zone. You know that T-zones is where the oils are produced. So like around your nose, around your forehead, that's where the most oils are usually produced because you tend to become shiny in those areas. So after applying my primer is when I'll go in with foundation. And like I said, the foundation that I'm using is the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade 9N, which is 9 neutral. And just look at that shade match. So we're going to just apply it like with a brush, and then we're going to apply using a beauty blender. And then afterwards, we will use the filter. So like I said, make sure you like, comment which side looks better on me, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you at the end of the video.